Flights from booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can book flights from booking.com. In order to book flights from booking.com, first of all make sure that you already have an account, and then to begin with, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in booking.com. So once you type in booking.com, it's going to direct you to the official web page of booking.com. Also make sure that you're already logged in. If you're using a mobile phone, then the procedure will remain the same. All you need to do is install the app on your mobile application. So in order to book a flight, you can see right on top there are multiple tabs. Accordingly, you also have flights button. So to book a flight, tap on the flights option. After that, you'll be able to see the interface like this. Here you'll be asked where do you actually want to go, and first of all you need to select the type of trip that you're actually doing. So click on the return button and just select the type of trip that you're doing. After that, you need to select number of company that's coming along with you. So click on adults, and here you need to select the number of people that's coming with you. You also need to select the class, so click on the class that you wish to go on with, and after that underneath you need to select your departure. So first of all select your departure. After that, go ahead and click on the arrow icon, and after that you need to go ahead and type in your destination. So where you actually want to go, type in that. And similarly, you also need to enter in the date when you're actually departing. So select the date accordingly. First of all select the month and then select the date. After that, click on the search button. After you tap on the search bar, it's going to show you a multiple flights that's actually available on this particular date. So as you can see, Mike, it does not seem to be have a flight on that particular date. So I'm just going to change the date for now and click on the search dial. So as you can see, these are some of the flights that's actually available on that particular date. You can go through all of these categories and click on view deal button. So as you can see, they've selected a provide. So tap on the button, tap on the accept button in order to confirm your information. After that, it's going to take you to this confirm by selecting that particular flight. You also need to sometimes pay in advance. You'll be asked to provide details. Once done providing your card, click on the add to cart button. Providing your card details, you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that the flight has been successfully booked. And it's basically how you can book a flight on booking.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.